P of x equal to k e power minus lambda power k by P of x equal to 1 lambda power 1 by factorial 1 e power minus lambda power 1 e power minus lambda. So we'll have lambda square is 2 lambda is 2. P of x equal to 4 e power minus lambda factorial 4. So 16 by 4 e power minus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 e power minus 2. 5 coins are marked 2, 3. Chance of getting 12 is possible 3 2s and 3 3s. So if a coin is tossed, one coin is tossed, getting 2 will be success. That is half. Q also not getting 2, getting 3. Here the probability of getting 3 success. So 5 tries of whole cube. Here it is half whole square. 5c3 is 10 by 32, which is 5 by 16. Here it is pole of a straight line with respect to the circle lies on, here you have one circle of radius A, you have another circle of radius is A, other circle radius is 3A. The pole of a straight line with respect to the circle lies on this. If the straight line touches the circle, here pole of a straight line with respect to the circle, that means pole is outside the circle. So polar intersect the circle. So now let us say this line equation Lx plus Ly plus N, pole with respect to this circle is minus La square by N minus Ma square by N. So that lies on this circle. So La power 4 by N square plus M square A power 4 by N square is 9A square. So here it is L square by N square plus, so you have it 9 by A square. So this straight line touches some circle. So the radius, let us say R, Here is a x square plus y square is r square. Lx plus my plus n 0. N by under root L square plus L square is r. So here L square plus M square is 9n square by a square, r equal to m by 3n by a. R becomes, so r square is a square by 9, second option. So for this parabola, some line is it's a tangent, some line is normal, foot of the normal he is asking, am square comma, that is in fact 80 square comma 280. So normal equation is y plus xt equal to 280 plus 82. In terms of this is minus mx plus c. So t value is minus m. So this will be the foot of the normal. So here m is 2. So we'll have a 4a minus 2a into 2 minus 4. From this, a value is 4a is 4a is 1. So the answer is 3. Here it is. X is replaced by x minus 1 means roots are increased by 1 unit. So 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1, these are the roots. Third option is correct. Here, the equation of the circle passing through the point of intersection of smallest circle is asking. Circle intersected by the line. Through this intersection, smallest circle is passing. So that line must be a diameter. So the any circle which passes through the intersection is this. So here it is plus lambda x plus lambda y. So center minus lambda by 2 minus lambda by 2 lies on x plus y is 1. So lambda here is minus 1. The required equation will be minus x minus y minus 86. Second option. Eccentricity of hyperbola whose lattice rectum subtends right angle. So at the center, lattice rectum subtends This is b square by a. This is theta. That total angle at a certain subtend is 90. This theta will be 45. Tan 45 will be b square by a into distance from center to focus is AE. So b square is a square e. From here b square plus e minus 1 0. B square minus 4ac, that is root 5 by 2. We know that root 5 minus 1 by 4 is sine 18. E will be 2 sine 18. That is first option is correct. 1 minute. Here it is hyperbolas, right? So then we have a correction. B square is a square into e square minus 1 a square. E square minus c plus 1 0. 1 plus r minus b square minus 5 by 2. E cannot be negative. So it is same as 2 cos 36 degrees. Second option is correct. So det of A inverse, no need to find A inverse. So det A whole inverse. So that is minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 4 here. Answer is 1 by 4. It is det A. Plus 1 ABC is a triangle. The length of internal angle, AD is internal angle bisector. To find the length of internal angle bisector of AD, we should know A coordinates as well, D coordinates. But we know B coordinates as well C coordinates. To find D, we should know the ratio. We have angle bisector theorem. BD is to DC is same as AB is to. Angle bisector divides opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. AB will be 4 minus 2 whole square, 7 minus 3 whole square, 8 minus 4. AC is 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. 6 is to 3, which is 2 is to 1. So D coordinates 4 plus 2, 6 by 3, 10 plus 3, 14 plus 4, 18 by 3. So AD length will be 4 minus 2 whole square, 7 minus 13 by 3 whole square plus 2 square. 21 minus 13, 864 by 9. Root of 72, 136 by 9, 4 root 9, which is equal to 4 3s, 4 4s, 2 root 34 by 3. Here it is in triangle ABC. B plus C whole square minus A square is LBC. B square plus C square minus A square, L minus 2BC. we get b square plus c square minus a square by bc is L minus, which is cos A. Cos A lies between -1 and 1, but cos A can't be 1 because if it is 1, angle A becomes 0, then triangle is not possible. The same way, cos A is -1, angle A becomes pi, triangle is not possible. So from that, L minus 2 by 2 must lie between, excluding the equality, we get L lies between 0 and 4. The equation of a line dividing in the ratio and parallel to this. Here you have 1, 1, 2, 4. Some line divides in the ratio 1:2. That should be parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 1. So 3x minus 4y plus k parallel lines. This point, by using section formula 2 plus 2, 1 into 4 plus 2, 6 by 3. 3 fourth option is correct. The least number of times a coin must be tossed so that probability of getting at least one head is at least 0.8. So 1 minus p of x less than 1, 0.2 is greater than p of x less than 1. P of x less than 1 is less than, that is, p of x equal to 0 is less than 0.2. So here we don't know how many times coin is tossed. P per 0, q per n minus 0. One, irrespective of how many times coin is tossed, if one coin is tossed, so P is probability of getting a head. Q is obviously 1 minus P. Half per n is less than 0.2. So n here is 1 not satisfies. 2 is 0.25. So I think 3 satisfies. N equal to 3. So this is the minimum. After that, obviously, it satisfies. Here take xe power x as t, xe power x plus e power x dx is dt. So integral dt by cosecant square t dt. Here it is minus cot t. T here is xe power x plus c. Here it is this one, root of cos x, root of 1 minus cos square x, that is sin x by 1 minus cos cube x. Cos cube x, if you assume it as t square, 3 cos square x into minus sin x dx is 2t dt. Is root cos x, root of 1 minus t square, sin x dx is minus dt by 3 cos square x minus 2 by 3 t by under root 1 minus t square. This cos square x by root cos x will be cos x root cos x or cos x power root cos x whole cube. So which is root t square. So 1 by t dt minus 2/3 sine inverse t. Sine inverse t will be cos power 3 by 2x plus c. Or you can write it as minus cos inverse t. So option is third. So this formula integral e power x f x plus f dash x is a non-formula e power x f x. Integral e power x into 1 by x plus log x dx. This f x, it is f dash x e power x log x. So both are the correct statements, and it's the correct explanation also. Here n factorial by n minus 1000 factorial into 1000 factorial, n minus 999 factorial into 999 factorial. So which implies into when you subtract, we get factorial 999 factorial into 1000 into it cancel. So n will be 1000 plus 999. Oh, so it's a mistake, right? Here it is n minus 1000 factorial is n minus 999 into n minus 1000 factorial, which is equal to 1, n will be 1000. Here it is the derivative of f of x is e power sine x. X cube, if you take t, 3x square dx will be dt. So e power sine t, 3 in place of dx, I will write dt by 3t square. X is there, 3x square. Dx is dt by 3x square. E power sine t by x cube which is t dt. So from this, which is f of t, right? Taking integral, this will be f of t, and the t limits are when x is 1, when x is t, 4, it will be 64, between 1 and 64. So f of 64 minus f of 1, so answer is 64. Value of k is 64. Semi-vertical angle of cone of maximum volume of a given slant height. So semi-vertical angle, slant height is given. Volume is 1/3 pi r square h. So in terms of slant height, sin alpha is R by L, cos alpha is H by L. So volume here is R square is L square sin square alpha, H is L cos alpha. So it depends only on alpha because slant height is given means that is constant. For maximum volume, f dash alpha is 0. That is leaving constants minus sin alpha plus cos alpha into 2 sin alpha cos alpha is 0. Minus sin cube alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square alpha. So minus 4 sin cube alpha is minus 2 sin alpha. Sin alpha here is 1 by root 2. Here it is sin square alpha minus sin alpha. So 2 sin alpha sin square alpha is 1 by root 2. So minus 2 sin cube. So it is minus 3 sin cube alpha. So sin alpha will be root of 2 by 3, but it is root 2 by root 3. It will be 1. Tan alpha becomes root 2. Answer is tan inverse. So here b square is, and for conjugate hyperbola, u2 square minus 1. e1 square minus 1 into e2 square minus 1 is 1. After simplification, you get this. Dividing with e2 square, we get 1. Here it is a linear differential equation. dy by dx plus px of y. So it is not of that form. So dy by dx is equal to e power 3x minus 2x, variable separable, minus 2x dx. We get y equal to e power 3x by 3 minus x square plus c. The number of ways algebra can be arranged without changing relative position of vowels and consonants. Meaning of the statement: position of vowel. What are vowels? A, E, A. So A cannot go to L's place. A can go to E's place. 3 vowels in 3 places. Similarly, consonants. 4 consonants in 4 places. All are distinct letters. So 24 into 3, 72 possibilities. Here it is divide with the dx. We write 2e power minus x square. It is of the format is equal to q of x. So solution 5 e power integral p dx. Q e power integral p dx plus. Here p of x is 2x. Integral p dx is 2x dx, which is x square. So solution is y e power x square 2 e power minus x square into So y power minus x square is 2x plus 6. So first statement is correct. Regarding second statement, y e power x square plus 2x equal to c. A given solution. So here differential equation related to it, dy by dx is plus 2. So here the solution and the solution which we got are different. So first one is true and second one is false. So two persons A and B toss two coins. Once they toss two coins, sample space is HTTHTT. Who throws one head and one tail is the winner. Getting one head and one tail is an event E. Then P of E will be where it is 2 out of 4, which is half. So if A start the game, B wins the game. So A started game, B wins the game. So that means A must loses, B wins the game. Or A loses, B also loses, then game goes to A. A loses, then game comes to B. B wins. This is the case in first attempt, B win. This is the case in second attempt, B wins. It's a continuous process. So here, getting first A should lose for winning half, for losing half. So for A lose the game, then game passes to B. B wins the game. A loses the game, B loses the game. A loses, then in second attempt, B get. If B wins, this is a continuous. We are not sure that B wins in second attempts. B loses again, game goes to A, again game comes to B. That is a continuous process, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 so on. Sum of all infinite terms will be 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4. We get 1/3.